Global Entrepreneurship Week involves many events, activities, and competitions in more than 170 countries across the globe. During this week, different activities that inspire millions of people to explore their potential as entrepreneurs are conducted. This year, Hanno Academy is organizing a 3-day event for the Global Entrepreneurship Week that shall bring together entrepreneurs, professionals, and academics in Somalia to interact and discuss ways of promoting entrepreneurship in the country. The event will also feature ways through which the Somali entrepreneurs can collaborate and work with other entrepreneurs across the globe. Event schedule: Day 1, 17th November 2020. Venue: Hanno Academy. Theme: Platform for creating and enhancing cohesive entrepreneurship ecosystem in Somalia. The event will feature keynote speeches from professionals in the economics and entrepreneurship fields in Somalia. The event will take place at the Hanno Academy Conference Hall. Target group: entrepreneurs, youth, government agencies, and the private sector. Day 2, 19th November 2020. Venue: Sankad Business Incubation. Theme: Promoting equal access to resources for all, especially the marginalized communities. The event seeks to provide a platform for promoting an all-inclusive and equal access to resources that will promote entrepreneurship spirit among the marginalized communities in Somalia. Target group: IDPs, refugee returnees, youth. Day 3, 21st November 2020. Venue: online. Theme: Best practices for starting and running businesses. The event seeks to educate the potential entrepreneurs on the best practices for starting and running businesses profitable. This will be an online event. Target group: potential entrepreneurs, youth, and the private sector.